So guys, in this video, we'll be discussing about latest virtual off-campus drives 2021. So before discussing about the job role and the eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates regarding latest off-campus drives and the job references. And I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end because the different off-campus drives or the different companies has the different hiring process or the eligibility criteria. So if you are not watching this video till the end, you might get confused or later you may face difficulties, because if you are not eligible for the job role or for the company and you are applying for the job role, then you will simply get rejected or later you may face problem during the hiring process. So I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end. So now let's discuss about the job role and the eligibility criteria. So the first company name is Quera and it is hiring for the software engineer, and experience required is freshers, and location they are hiring for remote or the online. That means from the home you can attend, or you can say you can do your work. Then salary based in the industry you will be getting, and working hour is from Monday to Friday, that means Saturday Sunday week off, and 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. That means totally you will be working 6 hours only. Then qualification required is BS, MS or PhD, and batch only 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible. Other year of pass out candidates like 2019 or 2020 or 2018 are not eligible for this job role or for this off campus drive. Then branch, only computer science background candidates are eligible for this role. No other branch candidates like mechanical, civil or electrical are not eligible, unfortunately. Then the minimum qualification required is ability to be available for the meeting between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. as we discussed earlier, and BS, MS, PhD in computer science background or any related technical field. Then knowledge of Python, JavaScript or C++ or the ability to learn them quickly. That means it is not mandatory that you know Python or JavaScript or C++. If you don't know about these technologies, later they will be giving you the training on these technologies. So if you know these technologies, then it will add plus or more preferences it will give. Then a passion for the learning and always improving yourself and the team around you. Then preferred qualification, prior software engineering internship or the training experience with web applications or the databases or the distributed systems. So before, if you have undergone any training regarding these technologies, web application or the database like MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, etc., or any distributed systems, it will add plus. Then passion for the query's mission and the goal. This is all about the first company and its eligibility criteria. Now the second company. So the second company name is Hexaware. It is hiring for the graduate engineer training, and total number of openings or the vacancies is 50. Then experience required is fresher again, and job location is Bangalore, Chennai or Mumbai, Pune or Noida. So you can join any of these locations according to your flexibility or preference. Then salary will be getting 3 LPA, and qualification required is BE, BTech or MCA, and batch eligible or only 2020. No other year pass out candidates like 2019 or 2021, that means the current batch or the pass out batch are not eligible. Then branch, any branch for the B or BTech candidates, and for the MCA candidates only the CSE background. For BTech candidates, all the IT and non-IT candidates are eligible for this role or for this off-campus drive. Now the other eligibility criteria. As we discussed earlier, all the BE, BTech or the MCA candidates and year of pass out is 2020, and the aggregate minimum of 60% is required for this job role throughout the academic career. That means in the 10th or 12th or the undergraduate or the postgraduate, minimum of 60% is required. No active backlog are allowed. Education gap not more than 1 year. Remember this thing, if you have 1 year of education gap or 0 years of education gap, it's fine. Then you should not have appeared for this recruitment process or for this company in the last 6 months. So if you have applied or been attended this off campus drive before 6 months, it's fine. But within 6 months, you must not have attended this off-campus drive or for this company's off-campus drive. So this is all about the Hexaver off-campus drive. So now the third one, Juho. So it is hiring for the mobile developer and experience required is 0 to 4 years. Then location they are hiring for Chennai and salary will be getting best in the industry and qualification required is B, BTech or MCA. So let me tell you one thing, for the salary you will be getting according to your skills and according to your experience or according to your interview performance, you can say. Then batch, any batch except 2021, that means the current batch. So any batch, that means starting from 2016 or you can say 2015 to 2020, all are eligible except 2021. Then branch, all the CSE, IT or EC, that means the circuit branch, triple E, ETC, etc. or the any applied branches. Other branches like mechanical or civil are not eligible for this job role. Then the requirements. So affinity for the product design and the building for the user interface, and expertise in object oriented programming or the designing principles like inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, etc. And you must be skilled in iOS or Android or Java or the C#, etc. So it is not mandatory that you know all these technologies, at least one. Then export knowledge in of native platform or and its feature. So good communication skills is mandatory. 0 to 4 years experience in related or the in native app development. So these are the basic requirements they have. And student graduating in 2021 are not eligible for this role or for this interview process, as we discussed earlier. So if you are being shortlisted, then you will be intimated in the mail for the future or the further evaluation. So you must have a laptop or computer with front camera, or that means the webcam, and good internet connectivity. So let me tell you one thing, Juho always send the interview link or the you can say the interview process or the you always connect them if you are eligible for the job role in time. So you must have seen or maximum time if you are applying for the job role in other companies, sometimes you not get the regret mail, that means the sorry your profile not is not being shortlisted mail. Never, sometimes you get from the companies, but for the Juho, if you are eligible, they will definitely conduct the drive after applying for the job role within 7 to 8 days. So if you are eligible for this role, I am requesting all of you to apply for this role. Then the fourth company, Entity Data, it is hiring, and the job role they are hiring for the PeopleSoft database admin fresher, and experience required is fresher, and job location they are hiring for the Bangalore, Hyderabad or Noida. So you can join any of these locations according to your flexibility. Then salary will be getting 3.5 LPA, and qualification required is only BE BTech. No other qualification or the background candidates like MCA or BCA or BSc are not eligible. Then batch, only 2020 and 2021 year pass out candidates are eligible. Then branch, all the CSIS or the CSIT, triple E or the EC background candidates are eligible. Then other eligibility criteria, 4 years of full-time engineering, as we discussed earlier, 60% throughout your academic career in 10th, 12th as well as the engineering. So that means it is not for the non-career or the non-career candidates. So history of areas not more than 2 years, and you must be trained in the PeopleSoft DBA. So it is not mandatory, if you are trained then it's good. Then no standing areas, that means the no current backlog. So candidates should not be holding any other offer letter in their hand. So you must be Indian. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria is not much, only you must have experience and knowledge in the database administrator service. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for the job roles if you are eligible and willing to apply. So this is the first job role, Quera software engineer. So if you want to apply for this job role, you need to attach all these things. After attaching the your updated resume, after attaching the updated resume, automatically it will fetch all the details. Later you need to fill up all these things. So then the Hexaware graduate engineer training, if you want to apply in the first naukri.com, you need to click on the apply now. Then the Juho Off Campus Drive, here you can see mobile developer Juho. So you need to attach your updated resume. Once you are attaching your updated resume, automatically it will fetch your mobile number, name, email address, and year of experience you need to attach. Add or choose 0 to 4 years. Then expertise in known or iOS, Android or Java or C# other, etc. Then the PeopleServe DBA. So these are the different job roles. So I'll be providing the job links in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for the job roles if you are willing or if you are eligible before the job role expires. So if you are facing any difficulties or if you have any doubts regarding these off-campus types, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that you'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.